I think young people find it difficult to find work because when people apply and don't get a reply back, it can be like disheartening and hits their motivation.
Whenever I've had feedback from interviews was, I'm a really nervous person, I'll shake, I'm not sure how to talk to people.
Most of the common problem is that they don't even give them a chance. They say you need at least 1 year minimum experience.
The RISE programme came about where we decided to take young people away on a full residential. The plan was to pick 60, 18 to 24-year-olds to bring them away and work on their confidence, their mental well-being, their skills to find employment. Today, where we've been out archery, we've been clapping each other, we were on the river doing canoeing, they've really come out of their shells already and we're only on day 2.
The skills that they've built so far, I would say, is definitely communication, teamwork, time management is a big one. They're all the skills that you're going to need going into the work life.
Each evening we're running anxiety workshops for them, we're running confidence building courses and giving them the best shot that they have ready to move into the world of employment.
The one thing I really struggle with is self-confidence and social anxiety. So to be able to meet with new people and talk with people from my area has really helped. As well as the first aid course, going back with qualifications really does help.
I'm really loving the RISE experience. We're doing a money management workshop later, so I feel like that will help me with spending my money a little bit less and also being able to save up as well.
We deliver high quality financial education to pretty much all ages up to 37, and we've come in today to work with this group who are looking for work. We're talking to them about some of the things they'll need to know when they get into that system, so taxes, reading pay slips, costs of living, and also identifying where they're spending money that perhaps they didn't realise they were spending.
If I can do this, I can then get out there when I do jobs, like talk to customers a bit more and be a bit more engaging with them.
When I was up on the big tower and I was shaking, not sure what to do, and I just wanted to get back down, they just said, no, keep on going, you can do it, and they push you past and past and past. I thought I was just going to stay in my room like I have been, but yeah, it's a big change.
At the minute we have an employer on site talking to them now about barriers to work, giving them some employability skills later this week around CVs and interview preparation, and then we're going to line jobs up for them at the end in their chosen professions.
I was invited to come and give a talk as an employer. I find it very rewarding to get people back into work. So I was very pleased to actually come and give that introduction to employment. We've got a few security roles that we're looking at recruiting for. This is absolutely perfect. Fingers crossed that we'll get them into employment.
For me personally, it's just motivation. I'm struggling to sit down and actually apply for jobs. It's definitely helping me get into that right mindset.
Everyone is having fun, they're encouraging each other, they're putting themselves out there.
In my group, if you feel a bit lack of motivation, they are here for you. It's been absolutely incredible to watch them all become friends, supporting each other and helping each other build confidence.
So I feel confident that Restart will help me find a job. We've done CV, we've worked on workshops, character building, interviews, and now I'm taking part in the RISE programme. I really needed that push.